Alright, we're doing a repeat client. We're getting ready to, he's putting the pre-spray down. We've already cleaned, they had these sofas moved out when we got here, so we cleaned behind them really good and put them back where they belong. Moved the little motorcycles. So now we're just going to do a quick pre-spray and we're going to clean this room. We're going to use a microfiber bonnet for this too. So stay tuned. Alright, away we go. There's going to be some shadows in here.
Yeah, there'll be some shadows. The things that come out are stains, not shadows. That's the difference. And this is a repeat customer. We've cleaned, this is the third time we've cleaned here in maybe 4 months. They like having their carpets cleaned frequently, and that's the kind of customer you want. One that just wants to have clean carpets. This is a valued customer to anybody.
We've kind of got a slow day today. We're probably going to do this one, and then anything else we'll just put it off till tomorrow. We got to get some other errands run and stuff. So. Nothing scheduled so far.
Now we highly recommend to you that are getting into this, have one of these machines. You're looking for some bonnets. These striped microfibers, you can get them from several sources. These are from TRS, but you can get them from a lot of places. They work real good.
They got little scrub strips.
They have scrub strips. They hold a ton of dirt.
Yeah. We'll clean it out when we get home, and it'll be black water coming out.
It always is. And this is a clean carpet. But if there's any dirt in here, it'll pick it up. Dirt, grease, I mean, these scrub strips work, they're awesome.
Yeah, we like them.
Of course, we use cotton bonnets too. It just depends on some people ask us when to use what bonnet. Well, it depends on what carpet type you're going to be honest with you.
This is kind of a shorter nap. It's a cut pile, but it's a really short nap, and so a cotton pad bonnet You can use that on this. It's about as short a nap as you want to go with one. But we like the microfibers a little bit better on some of these. When it's a judgment call, we'll go with the microfiber.
We like using the cotton bonnets on tall, thick, shaggy, nappy carpets.
Yeah.
Pretty much that's where we use those. And then on carpets that they have pile to them, but it's not a real high pile, we use microfiber. It's just, the microfiber works on everything.
Yeah.
The reason we'll use cotton on a really thick, shaggy carpet, like a sculpted carpet or, just a big old thick carpet, is because the microfiber tries to dig in, and it kind of makes the machine where it pulls down. It's hard to make it move forward and backward or left or right. So the cotton bonnet's real thin, it just slides over everything. It don't get held
Yeah,
back.
you want a little bit of cushion. So like on a commercial grade carpet, if you use a really thin pad, it's going to make the machine run bounce a little bit. It's going to be a rougher ride. And it can also eat through the bonnets because there's not any cushion. But with the when you have a good enough nap, you've got that cushion to protect your pad, and it keeps the machine running smoothly. So
Yeah,
on a commercial carpet, you want to use either like, this is just a stock Oreck pad here, or you can see that blue microfiber in the bag over there with the scrubbing strips on it. But that way you have a little bit of cushion in between the machine and the floor. But this carpet here is like right in the middle of, where you want to basically, you could use either one. We've used the pads on, just the cotton pads on this carpet before, and it's fine. Now you will go through more pads.
Yeah.
They fill up faster. They don't have the capacity to hold as much dirt.
The truth is, the microfibers will do, they'll do 80% of the carpets you'll ever see. Most carpets aren't super thick, super long fibers, and the microfibers do good on them. The only reason I use the cotton bonnets is because on a thick carpet, the machine really just gets hard to push. It gets where the microfiber is aggressive enough that it actually just pulls into one place, and it don't want to go nowhere for you. It kind of becomes a hassle. So a cotton bonnet will, and I'm not talking about a thick one, the ones we use are real thin, they'll just slide right through a thick carpet. And I mean, they're easy. And they make the job fast, and they work good too. But normally, I'd say the microfiber is the #1 bonnet we'll turn to for most carpets. And the real reason is they got the scrub strips on them, but they absorb.
Yeah, they're a little faster.
Oh, they're just great. But they hold a ton of dirt. You just can't beat that.
Now he's already done the corner there by the door. When we had the sofas out, we went ahead and did that corner pretty good. So he's not going to go work. He's not going to work his way all the way back in there.
Oh, I'm trying to fix that.
It's a divot.
It's a bald spot. Yeah. I was sitting there trying to work on it. I was like, that ain't coming out. Why not? And I touched it, and you can tell the carpet fiber's just been scraped off. It's damaged.
All right, when he finishes there, we're going to do this hallway, this bedroom. There's the rest of the hall. And this bedroom is a frieze. We've done this on a previous video. We're not going to show it again today. We're just going to finish up here in the living room. I'm going to put information in the video description. I'll put links for the machine and different accessories. And he's about to get done.
But remember, if you don't have these microfibers yet, we suggest you buy 5 or 6 of them.
Yeah. What you really want is the Oreck bonnets to get started with, like they're on the sofa, because we've used those for years and years, and you can do everything with them. These are a little bit faster, but it's not that big of a deal. If you what's nice about those is you can just go on Amazon and order them anytime you want to. In fact, I'll put a link for those in the description so you can find them easily. And you can find microfiber bonnets and other things like that later on if you want to. You don't have to have them though. They're just an option.
You can get them from where we got ours at, or you can get them from several places.
Yeah.
There's places that sell them. They're all over the place.
But for sure get some, if you buy a machine and you want to get started, at least buy like 4 of those regular bonnets there. That'll get you started for a long time. Those things last for years and years. We've cleaned hundreds and hundreds of jobs with the same bonnet. So, alright, looks like he's just going to go back and touch the stuff up. I'm going to go ahead and end the video here, because that's basically the whole thing right there. Not much more to see. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Until next time, thanks for watching.